Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alaikum. Today we discuss computer networking and administration for BSIT 5th semester MCQs. First MCQs is which of the following memory is used for storing software that does not need updates? Option A flash memory, option B ROM, option B SRAM, option D DRAM. Answer is room. Next MCQs. Which of the following computer hardware consists of a laser? Option A RAM. Option B CD drive. A hard disk drive. Option D floppy disk. Answer is CD drive. Next MCQs. A dash is a central server on computer network that enable connect the client to access the server storage capacities. A web server, B application server, C print server, file server, C none of above. Answer is file server. MCQs. What is vlog? Option A video log, option B video vlog, option C new technology to aid in vlogging. Option D both B and C. Answer is both B and C. Next MCQs. Hard disk in a computer is a. Option A temporary magnetic storage device. Option B permanent magnetic storage. Option C high capacity optical disk storage. Option D high capacity CD-ROM. Answer is permanent magnetic storage. Next MCQs. Which of the following is not an application of software? Option A Adobe Photoshop. Option B Windows 7. Option C MS Word. Option D Avast Antivirus. Answer is Windows 7. Next MCQs. RS-232 communication is. Option A full duplex, option B half duplex, option C simplex, option D command response system. Answer is full duplex. Next MCQs. What is the name of the software that allows us to browse web page? Mail client, option B FTP client, option C browser, option D messenger. Answer is browser. Next MCQs. In OSI network architecture, the routing is performed by physical layer, option B network layer, option C data link layer, option D session layer. Answer is network layer. Next MCQs. Which service cannot be used with TCP wrappers? Option A SSH, option B Telnet, option C TFTP, option D HTTP. Answer is TFTP. Thank you beta. Allah Hafiz.